Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this eyeshadow look because I'm reviewing the new Carmi X Revolution Make Magic palette, and I'm also going to insert all the swatches of this. So if you'd like to see me review this and you want more videos like that, then don't forget to subscribe for 2 videos every week. I am thinking about changing my schedule from Thursday and Sunday to Monday and Thursday, so you might be seeing this on Monday probably, and yeah, if you want to see this then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just starting with no makeup on because I want to do all of the swatches first and then get kind of an idea of what I want to do on my eyes. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. I really love the color and especially the Carmi signature. Then on the back you get all of the colors with the ingredients. And then this is what the palette looks like. It's really gorgeous. So this was €11.99 and this is cruelty free. You get a really big mirror and this is what the shadows look like. But they really look a lot more vibrant in person. So you get 14 shadows on the bottom and then 6 different shadows on the top. You have a little Carmi heart on the matte shades, and there are 9 matte colors. So this is what the first row of normal shadows look like. From the left to right we have the shades Flame, Confidence, then on me is kind of a skin tone color. Then we have Desire, Self-Made, that is a gorgeous blue. Then we have Bless, You Do You, and Dark Side. Then on the second row of your normal eyeshadows we got from the left to right Overcome, Integrity, Love Yourself, Free Hugs, Honesty, Addicted, and Camel. Then finally for the top row of those kind of special eyeshadows we have from left to right Because of You, Bite Me, Moneymaker, Under My Spell, Make Magic, and finally You Got This. And I swear that last shadow, You Got This, from the perspective I'm looking at it, it's pink. And is it brown? Is it blue? It's really gorgeous. Okay, so from the swatches, I would say that the only shadow that disappointed me a little bit was this pink one called Desire. It doesn't have as much pigmentation as it looks like on the pen, but it looks kind of a topper, so I'll have to try that out. And the shades that surprised me the most were Self-Made. That is this really gorgeous kind of turquoise color. This one called Moneymaker. It's a really special formula, and when you press it, it already got a little bit of a dimp in it. And Under My Spell is a really beautiful blue. And yeah, I mean, everyone is also very excited about this one. I think you can see it in the pen even. Then is a dual chrome or even a triple chrome. I don't know. Okay, so initially I thought I would do something pink, but I kind of want to try this one and this one. These also really called out my eye. Okay, so I'm going to prime my lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I'm going to set the concealer with the shade Confidence. actually a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I still feel like it goes okay to set the concealer. This will just give a very even base for the other shadows to blend. Now for transition, I'm gonna take this shade Overcome. It'll be kind of a transition slash crease color. It picks up a lot of pigment on your brush. Yeah, this is really pigmented. And I think I want to deepen the outer corner, and for that I'm going to use You Do You. I'm really kind of tapping this shadow very carefully because it really looks very pigmented. A little bit more of Overcome. Now on my lid, I'm going to use Love Yourself. And that looks really pretty. And I'm not using a wet brush. I'm adding just a little bit more of Overcome. I'm going to use my finger on the shade Cause of You. I'm just gonna press that on my lid. So on top of these colors, it looks a little bit more gold. I mean, that looks a little bit more gold than I was expecting, but that is kind of interesting to see how these top colors can change depending on what you have underneath. Okay, so for now this is what I have. I'm going to do the other eye and the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back to finish the lower lash line and inner corner. Okay, so I've done most of my face and I've done the other eye. I am using the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable Mascara, and I'm also using the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline. Now I want to add something kind of different to this, so I'm going to use the shade Integrity on my lower lash line, and then I'll want to use the shade Honesty on my inner corner and see how that will go. I think that this green goes really well with that kind of peachy tones from the top eye, from the top lid, I mean. Yeah, and then yellow on the inner corner, I think it gives it a very fun touch. Okay, so I have just finished the rest of my eyes. The lips, I'm using the Avon Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte in Dare to Be Bare. And this is a close-up of what the eyes look like. I think all of these shadows blended very well and the colors are really beautiful. Okay, so and my overall thoughts on this palette. I mean, all of these shadows are really beautiful and I still haven't tried them on my eyes yet. The swatches were really good, maybe except for this one, but this looks kind of more like a topper shadow, and this formula is really beautiful and different. This blue really impressed me. I gotta do another look using that one. The matte blended very well. I mean, overall, I think it's really good and very pigmented, and I definitely need to do another video using this. So yeah, I think this is a really fun, colorful palette. I'm very excited to use it again, and it's definitely a thumbs up from me. I think Carmi did an amazing job with this one. I was very sorry that I didn't buy the other one, but I probably would have preferred this one anyway. So yeah, these are my final thoughts on the palette. If you like this video and if you liked me reviewing it, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and for 2 videos every week. I'm not sure if it'll be every Thursday and Sunday or every Monday and Thursday, but anyways, if you'd like to see more of it, don't forget to subscribe. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!